Liza, and welcome to Robbie Learns. So today we are going to discuss to you, well, first let me tell you that I'm wearing my school uniform and I'm currently a 10th grader. And as you can see, I'm in school today, and today we are going to talk about some tips and advices that I'd love to share with you about preparation for earthquake in school. 3 tips prepared for you guys before an earthquake occurs. Number 1, prepare your school. Prepare your school meaning hold earthquake drills, learn first aids, especially for the students because this school holds around 1,000 plus students, and I have some pictures to show you guys about preparation for an earthquake drill. So number 2, study your surroundings, the structures of the building, of how your school is made, so that when the students, just in case, so where should the students go in order for them to evacuate to a safer place? Number 3, practice earthquake drill and the duck cover and hold. Before earthquake drill, we must inform the students of how will they do the first aid just in case they got into the situation where they're going to get injured. Duck cover and hold. Well, when you hear the bell rang inside the classroom, all you need to do is be serious. Duck under your desk where it's safe and make sure that you are not around in an area not surrounded by structures that will make you go injured. And you need to cover yourself, under the desk, and stay put. Don't panic. Proceed to during an earthquake. So now, let's get to the real thing. It's not practice anymore when we do duck cover and all, and we need to be really serious this time. First, take seriously that don't panic. Wear your hard hats. Okay, it's like this. Okay. So that your head will be protected from hazardous building parts that might fall to you. Let's proceed to number 5. Stay calm. Just like what I've been telling you, be serious about the practice. And now that it's during earthquake, you need to stay calm. You don't have to run too abruptly. You don't need to walk too softly. First, think about what's ahead of you. Look forward to a place where there's no buildings that could harm you, and make sure you're in an open area, a grassland or an area where there's no buildings. Now that the earthquake is done, let's proceed to tip number 6, which is you need to find the evacuation center or place. First, check yourself if you have injuries occurred to you during the earthquake. And if you can't do it, let others do it for you. Let them do first aid, and if your injury is that serious, you need first aid. And before you get run into the hospital. Number 7. You think that's enough? That going into the hospital is enough, or going to the evacuation center is enough? Nuh-uh. Expect for aftershocks. If you experience aftershock, just go back to my tips and pause, rewind, and go back to the tips that I told you. Stay calm. Don't panic. Just go with the flow and stay safe, everyone. So, drill ongoing. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for listening to me. And remember, preparedness is the key to safetyness.